Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, today we are in Palo Alto, California, having lunch at Terùn. And we love Terùn because the owner, Maico, and his team are from Scalea. And one of the problems we have when we're in California is we can never find real Italian food, especially not Italian food from Calabria. And you can find that here at Terùn. So we're gonna take you with us on this meal. We're gonna show you what we're having and just how delicious it is. And you need to come here actually and have a meal at Terùn. You will not regret it. Okay, well, you guys know how much I love antipasti, and honestly, I could live on it. So look at this. This is the antipasto dello chef, which is basically the chef selection. And we have various different cheeses, which are so good. We've got a big slab of burrata in the middle. We've got these things which are called crostini, I think, or crocanti is what they're called. And these are like little potato chips, little chili pepper potato chips. They're so good. And you've got these little fried things, you don't know what they are. Some crostini, a little bit of focaccia, and a fresh prosciutto. Oh my goodness, we've got to get started. Okay guys, so I got the ravioli, and it has short ribs in it and grana padano, you can see. And I think there's a wine reduction sauce. It's going to be amazing. And then rigatoni, which it looks amazing with the ragu that we love. So delicious. And last but certainly not least is the pizza San Daniele. And it looks like it's got padano, grana padano. It's got arugula. It's got prosciutto crudo. And maybe some surprises under there. I don't know, but it looks amazing. You can beat. My day is officially made. This is their bread pudding. And it has chocolate chips in it. Look at it. Look at it.
Oh, unbelievable.
A little lump of bread pudding, chocolate chips, and this amazing,
That's very good.
some kind of, oh, look at this sauce. Oh my gosh, I gotta eat it.